it wasn't feeling like that I was doing it online. It felt like everything was in person. My name is Anam Rana and I've done interior designing. My learning with IIAD Academy was really good. Like, I got to know about it on social media, so I gave it a try and then I applied for it. The mentors and all, everyone was very helpful here, and the sessions, they were very practical. Like, it wasn't feeling like that I was doing it online. It felt like everything was in person. Either it was the mentors or the practical sessions, everything was very good and I really enjoyed. I feel like interior designing is something that people will think of that you need to go in the field and you need to have practical knowledge, and online you cannot have it. They will have this perception. Even I have it before, but once I entered in IIAD Academy, I felt like it's up to you. It's really about how people are around you and how much of opportunities you get. So whatever opportunity you get, you have to give it a try and grab it. And yeah, I'm looking forward to doing more in this field.